Are you starting off on your crypto journey? Here is how to build a solid crypto portfolio. Are you ready? Let's break out. What's going on, my free thinking rebel? My name is Stefan Subero, and I am here to help new crypto investors safely get into the crypto space, avoid getting scammed, and create automation so that you don't have to spend all your time on a screen learning how to trade. This way you can spend more time with your friends, your family, and just relax a little bit more. So if this is you, take a minute, please gently tap that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the content that I'm going to be dropping every single week for you. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say is based on my opinion, experience, and years of testing and trying this out. I've made my own mistakes. Hopefully, this can help you prevent making mistakes of your own. So the first thing you want to do is have a plan. That makes sense, right? Well, you will not guess that so many people jump into the crypto space. They jump into investing without a clear action plan as to what to do, when to buy, when to sell. This is extremely important for you. So please do not make that mistake. Have an investment plan. So pretty simple to create a portfolio allocation. You just want to have a spreadsheet that you can use to figure out, okay, what are you starting with? And then a breakdown of the coins or the portfolio that you're going to have. Now, this is just an example of that. This doesn't really show a portfolio, but pretty simple, right? You just want to have the amount you're starting off with. What are the coins? What's the breakdown you're going to use for each individual coin? That way you can track this moving forward and monitor your progress. If you haven't watched it yet, I made a video called the 5 tips to make the biggest gains during a bull market. I'm going to drop it for you right up here. Please take a look at it once you finish watching this video. Next up, you want to decide on your portfolio breakdown. Of course you do, right? Now, if you are a beginner, you're brand new to cryptocurrencies, look, my recommendation for you at this stage, you want to have 50% of your overall allocation breakdown between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Depending on when you watch this video, where we are in the market cycle, this balance may be slightly different, but I'll leave that up to you. Half of your portfolio should be those two. So what do you want to do? 25% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, 20 Ethereum, 30 Bitcoin. That is really up to you, but that is going to be your first half. Then look, you don't want to have more than 2 to 4 more coins, right? Because again, you don't want to overwhelm yourself, especially when you're learning. So what I would recommend after that, you want to have 2 coins that are mid caps, and then you want to have 1 coin that is a low cap. This is going to give you a wide range of risk and reward because you're going to have some of these lower caps, which will give you a bigger upside with a potential bigger downside, but you're going to be allocating a smaller percentage to that. So a breakdown will be something like this. Like I said, 50% between Ethereum and Bitcoin. Then you can potentially do 20% into one mid cap, 20% into another one, and then you can leave the last 10% for that low cap. Now, the third thing you want to do, you need to know when to buy and when to sell. Yeah, this is actually one of the hardest things to figure out as an investor, as a trader, because who really knows this? This is something that I can't really explain in one quick video like this. So what I'll do, I'll drop the link below for a masterclass that's going to help you maximize your profit from the 4-year cycle. Pretty cool masterclass that we did last year to our private community. You will learn a couple of cool things. You'll learn will be what portfolio structure has outperformed Bitcoin in every cycle and how you can mimic this to maximize your profits in this cycle. And also the best strategy to take profit in this bull run cycle so you don't ride your portfolios into profit and back down to loss in the bear market. This is the most common mistake for newer investors in bull markets. The next thing you want to do is figure out your exit strategy. So if you buy Bitcoin today, when are you going to sell it? And what is that percentage gain that you're going to have, right? This is something extremely important because, like I've said before, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So if you need to know exactly what you're doing with every single coin in your portfolio, even before you buy it, this is going to prevent you from panic selling if we crash, or prevent you from not selling and then losing your gains as the market does reverse and come back down. Next thing you want to do is track every single thing that you do. Look, I assure you, you will lose the things that you have if you're not tracking, right? You just don't know, you don't have it in your awareness, so you're not aware of what's going on. Pretty simple. You just create a easy Excel sheet to track it. The basic information you want to have is obviously the date that you bought it, the coin that you're buying. Are you buying? Are you selling? What is the price that you're buying it at? The amount. This is going to allow you to figure out how much you spent on it. Very important, and not many people use this, is where did you buy it, right? Did you buy it on an exchange? Did you buy it from a decentralized exchange? And where are you going to store it? Are you keeping it on the exchange? Are you putting it on your ledger, on your MetaMask wallet? This is really important. You can also add a TX ID for references and also notes if you want to add that as well. And then the last thing I'm going to recommend is to create a CoinMarketCap account, because they have a really handy portfolio tool that really allows you to see the progress of your investment. It's pretty easy and it's completely free. So you just go ahead and sign up with CoinMarketCap, then you go into the portfolio section, and then you can go ahead and create a new portfolio. It's pretty straightforward. You click on add transaction. It's going to ask you for what coin you're adding. Go ahead and add in the coin. And very important, like I said, you want to track your entries and the price. So this is good. You're going to put that in right here. How much Bitcoin did you buy? What's the price you bought it at? Let's just do this. And let's just say you bought it at 30,000 just to have a reference. That's not 30,000. There we go. And you want to put the date you bought it. If there's any fees, any notes, you can add that in here as well. It's going to tell you the total amount that you spent. And then you just click add transaction, and it's going to start building that portfolio for you. Really cool. It will tell you how much you're in profit, right? So you can see that based on that transaction, we would currently be 87% in profit. And it will tell you your profit right here. So pretty cool tool. It gives you a full breakdown. So really nice visual as well. You can also have that on your phone, so you can track every single day and monitor the progress of your portfolio. My free thinking rebels, if you have found value, please drop a like, share this content with somebody in your community, in your family that you think will benefit from this knowledge. Truly, truly appreciate the help spreading this to everyone. And like always, I'm going to leave you with a powerful quote. This one says, "The most difficult thing is the decision to act. The rest is merely tenacity." This is from Amelia Earhart. So my friends, make a decision, make a choice today, and have the tenacity, move forward. That's all I've got for you, my friends. I'll see you in the next one. Stefan out.